Dog train. It's going down. Oh, oh, oh. Mm-hmm. Sun went down a little bit. I feel a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? That one. Hey. You gotta pick the elevator. I was right last time. I just didn't get on film. If you need a sign to tell you to, well, I've been doing this my whole life. I don't know what's wrong with people nowadays. You need a sign to tell you to wash your hands, man. Come on, man. It's basic hygiene.
Here we are in the jungle, mate. We got us wild Spider-Man right here. Now this is a crazy bloke.
Ow! Ow!
Look at this spider, dog.
Normally they don't got scary cameraman, though.
Shit.
I'm looking at him as he does he poisonous.
Yeah, he's very venomous.
Whoa! It's everything to me, man. It's why, you know, I feel like why I got the life that I got is karma, man. I got blessed through karma that, you know, because when I told the story of being homeless, you know what I mean? It's like I wasn't homeless because I didn't have money. I was homeless because, you know, I had 5, 6 dogs, and to everybody else, it was like, oh, just get rid of the dogs. Yeah. Just get rid of the dogs, or they're just dogs. To me, it wasn't like that. It was as simple as once I made that commitment to them, that was real to me. That was lifelong. So, you know, I'm going to stick to that no matter what. So I'd have rather been homeless and live nowhere than not have them. So, and I stuck by that, man. So it's just a deep connection, man. So when I saw you and the connection to animals, it was just like, it was instant, bro.
It started with dogs, though, man.
Like
you know?
Brother from another mother. Yeah, I mean, generally, that's where it's funny is I through my life, too, I've had a lot of reptiles, but for me, it changed into dogs. But I mean, I've had tons of reptiles, like definitely tons. I mean, I had, you know, some monitors. I had a black throat and stuff. Like, you know, I've had anacondas. I've had sunflower with ticks. I've had, you know, Burmese. I've had, you know, albino Burmese. I sold to one of my bodyguards, 18 foot. So I've had some big snakes and stuff like that. I've always loved animals. Always had a fascination. So when I saw your page, I was like, man, this dude is on to some shit right here, yo. Just real natural, real entertaining,
real
from the
core, you know.
Yeah,
no
right. I'm
degree,
saying.
no, like,
you know what I'm saying? That's what it is, yo.
I don't like to tell people what to do and how to do it. I just learn and just enjoy my everyday life.
Bro, that's it, man.
You know, like I see something happens with my dogs, and I was like, damn, man, I want to go study and figure out. Like, I'll call you, I'll call Caesar, I'll call my grandma. You know, my grandma, like, you know, I look at you and Caesar as the cream of the crop. You know what I'm saying? Like if the dog community is an alpha pack, y'all two are the alphas. There's nobody out there that can tell anybody. You know what I'm saying? So like,
I appreciate
you know, and it's such an honor to be able to pick up the phone and call you like, yo, I need help, man. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I never had 20 dogs, you know what I'm saying? You got 60 of them, so you know, you done seen it 60, 50, 100 times, you know what I'm saying? So
I'm blessed, bro. I'm blessed to be able to be there in that situation.
I'm honored to be you guys' student.
Crazy, crazy.
Let me tell you, it's hot in Florida. Gang out here. Everybody out here. In the water, we said that's 20 feet deep. My guys are doing things, you know what I mean? So you know I'm out here again. 20 feet deep. Oh, he looked like he was just about to send it.
To the fish. Let's go. Inspired by Marlon Grennan, baby.
Ha ha, my dude.
See my boy doing his trick back. I want to do the same thing one day. Salute, gentlemen.
Ha! Salute, champ. You already know, bro. You're killing it. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, he's like, dude, this is why I was chilling in the pool. I was kicking it. Flatten me. There you go. That was a good snap. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about.
Come on, girl.
Bro, if I had more clothes, I would send it, bro. Woo. Epic clip right there. Epic backflip into the pool. I got it. So true though,
His
like,
hands are big as my hands.
yeah, that's
You
what
know
I'm
what I'm
saying.
saying? Like, humongous lizard. I can't even pick him up, he's so heavy. He's over 100 pounds.
It's so true that the cage thing. Anytime I ever got bit by any of the snakes I had, it was in the cage. I never got bit outside.
You guys can go closer up there. I'm getting closer up. Look, he ain't gonna watch that tail. He ain't gonna charge you or anything. You guys can walk in there close.
Bro.
He's already eyeballing me.
Whoa, head turn, bro.
What's up, sir?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up, buddy?
Bro, I'm cool, bro. I swear. I am cool with you, bro. I can see those teeth from here. It's cool, bro. It's all good. I'm an animal lover, sir.
He's like, look at me, but I put in work to get close.
Dude,
Bro.
some mornings he gets up, you look out the window up there, you can see him up here just
Son,
basking.
that...
Freaking good.
Yeah, you know what's going on here.
There it goes.
Dude, that's blowing away, bro. That is blowing away. He's not even gonna know that he just got some bread. People love life. It's time for Chicago. Miami, it's been fun. It's time for Chicago. I bust out them clothes and I just roll with the freshies all the time. When you own a clothing company, it's pretty convenient. But you know what you should do? DDKlineapparel.com. Shut your fucking mouth, yeah? Chicago! Oh, people of Hope Life. In Chicago now. Short trip here. Left Miami. Had some fuckery happen with the plane. I'm never fly fucking United Airlines ever again, let me tell you.
United who?
Yeah, nah. United who? There's my guy right here. What's up, brother? Man, Huh?
In the house.
Hell yeah. Sending the feet outside. Oh, there you go. There goes the big man himself. So man, I'm at my franchise in Chicago. There's some dogs out here. All these is all the blood. You know what it is. People out here, everybody here. You know the big guy here. Look at Dog Central. Dog Central. Look. Look.
All these knuckleheads finally back together.
As you can see, that size stayed pretty consistent. That's good, bro. Cole's getting those close-ups. There's Mom right there. Mom of the whole gang.
Mama hard-headed. Mama be trying to pop stuff off.
She just letting her kids know what's good.
Oh, this is the one we gotta get footage on. That's Dinah. Go. And she's strong. Sasha is strong.
Big time.
Nice.
Husky bull. Yeah, he big time. What's he weighing right now?
He is currently he was 160. He lost 11 pounds because he just had this surgery on his leg and the doctor wanted him to lose some weight. But he was like at 159.8 pounds.
Man, so all you people out there in the world, these little midget dogs that we producing out here, these are what big dogs really look like, man. And let me tell you, my guy Greg is not a little guy.
That's a Stella's.
Marley Kong's brother. Now he hurt his leg, so we're trying to keep him calm. But as you can see, that's a husky bull right there. That's about 170 pounds. You know we'll be producing that size. There's no joke. You know, all the people that want to talk about it, say about it, talk about it, you be about it. This is what a big dog looks like. So this is Kong's brother, Marley. We got Greg out here, my Chicago franchise, man. This is a beautiful dog. Oh man, I've seen a bunch of beautiful dogs out here.
Man, I haven't picked you up since.
So, it takes two. You know what I'm saying? It takes two. That's a big dog.
Yes, sir.
Big animal, Kong's brother. See, I can see another one, man. My guy Greg out here doing great things with these dogs. Look at this guy. He's hurt, so we're gonna put him down. Nice, gently, relax there.
Relax.
There you go. There you go. He had a TPLO. Which is a common thing with the dog, so it happens. He would just run around too crazy, hit a pothole and hurt himself.
Yeah, you don't want that. What I want to do. That was her first time ever being in Florida, too.
Yeah, she went in there. She's seen my giant puddle. She's doing good. It's good to see. It's good to see, man. What's up? He's like, you got another giant puddle in your pocket? Nah. What's up there, Husker?
No, I really can't complain. Wave. Everything is straight.
Chicago, at the skate park. I can't skate to save my life anymore, but I'm gonna get better now. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get better. I'm motivated now. I'm motivated. I gotta get my body remembers, but it's just like wobbly. It's just like, all right, hold up, get the balance, but the legs still work. So we're gonna work on it though. But tell you, you're gonna see a lot more of this guy. I'm telling you, man. You know, it's time for me to just interrupt the video real quick. So yeah, a lot of y'all don't know the history of me skateboarding and what it used to be like. So I'm gonna just run a couple of these little clips, and I'm gonna run some of Chad's clips. Obviously, he's like 1,000 times what I was ever, but my guy took it to the next level. But this is some footage of me skateboarding.
What's going on?
vibe is right, and that's what it's all about. When the vibe is right, it's good.
You heard it right here first.
You heard it here
I
first.
ain't even gotta say nothing. That's it. He knows what's going on.
Bro.
This XL, I got you, Larry.
Bro, you already know. Came to see my guy. My guy Chaz Ortiz, you know what I'm saying? You know, full circle. You know what I'm saying? Fit it.
Yes, sir.
Fit it. Full circle.
Chaz, we need an XL, Chaz.
Yo, my man hooked us up, dog. You know, I came out to Chicago. I wasn't gonna not see my dog, yo.
What
You know
up?
what I'm saying,
We
bro?
out here, baby.
You already know what it is,
Skate
man.
shit.
Skate master over here, Chaz Ortiz, bro. I got the brand, full circle. Y'all gotta go fucking follow it, put it on. We're gonna be doing some shit together, so
We out here. Let's
you're
get
gonna
it.
see that face. You better go to the skate park. Hopefully I don't get hurt, bro. We gonna get this guy on the skateboard. Nah.
Yeah, let's do it.
What's wild funny too, as soon as I got home, I put on that new skateboard game, Skater XL, and I realized that this park is in it. So I had to bust a trick, and I sent it to my guy Chaz too. I'm gonna put that trick in this video too, so you can see my Skater XL skill with a little kickflip front crook. Go ahead, run it. Get a little film trick, bro. Check me, kickflip front crook. Bang! Oh, melting. Melting. Oh, dog. Oh, yeah. So dope, bro. We gotta get Hulk on that.
Yeah, this is the first time. I just put the belts on it. I had to move that thing.
You look so good.
Some news right there, huh, kids? Sorry. Yeah, I'll move that right off you.
All right, fun fact. Dog on the screen, same dog as this picture right here. Growth. Oh man, it's hot here in AZ, but it's beautiful, man. Let me tell you, it looks so dope, man. This spot is little windows, man. My guy got the Hummers up. Look at my guy got the Hummers. He's everywhere. Hummers. RVs. It's the big time, man. Woo! Feel that heat, boy. You know, little food send mission down there. Food was good, yo. The food here was fire. Let me tell you, I like it. Looks beautiful out there. Oh, look at the desert. Looks beautiful. Looks hot. It's like hot every time I hear it. Look at cactus life. Hot. All right, so my guy about to pull up. I did a breeding went with Hulk, so we got the female. So we're about to check her out real quick. See what's good with it. Probably roll around with him real quick somewhere. And I'll meet back up with Todd. See what's good with him. But yo, cactuses and shit, bro. Like this shit is crazy out here. There's like barely any grass. It's only a golf course, but cactuses. Let me tell you, it's 9:30 in the morning now. It's 100 degrees. 100 degrees, 9:30. Shit is retarded.
Yo, hold my Rolex, bro.
Yeah.
Huh? And if you're gonna slow down the opposite direction, you gotta lean. I can tell you're active, but
You gotta lean. Luckily, I'm going home tomorrow, bro. My security go down, bro. Follow my guy and the dog. We out here in these desert. Look at the cactus, boy. Got the camera guy, you know. Got Cole in the building. There goes Shadow, you know, documenting. Looking like a bear walking through the desert. You know what I'm saying? On the camera guys.
be out here with Marlon. You already know he owns the Hulk, Dark Dynasty Canines. We're out here with Mary Jane, just knocked out an amazing breeding with the Hulk. We can't wait. We're extremely blessed. We're located in Phoenix, Arizona. As you can see, the amazing scenery out here. We're gonna have males and females available, top picks, temperament tested. You guys already know. I appreciate you, dog. Good love, homie.
I appreciate you, bro.